Are you wondering what's the best microphone for streaming this year? If so, stay tuned, because by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly which one to choose. So we're going to check out the 5 best mics for streaming. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. At number 5 is the Blue Yeti. Blue is one of the most recognized companies in the USB microphone world, and the Yeti is one of the most popular microphones for podcasters and streamers due to its excellent recording capability and affordable price tag. Let's take a closer look. Design-wise, the Yeti is a good-looking microphone, and it feels sturdy, durable, and well-weighted. You can be set up to record with the Yeti in under a minute. You won't need software or drivers to use it. Just plug the mic in, select in your audio settings, and start recording. Moreover, the desktop stand is designed so you can adjust and pivot the microphone in relation to the sound source, improving sound quality. Once you have it at the desired angle, you can use the set screws to secure it in place. From a features perspective, the Yeti offers zero latency headphone monitoring, headphone volume control, and a handy little mute button that's perfect for those times when you need to clear your throat. Furthermore, the microphone comes equipped with a 3.5mm headphone jack and allows you to listen to what you're recording in real time without latency delays. Moving on, the build quality and retro design are one thing, but the microphone's key selling point is the 4 different recording modes or patterns that enhance the audio and recording quality. A simple dial lets you change the setting to suit your needs. You can select the polar pattern you want between bidirectional, omnidirectional, and cardioid. For your information, the bidirectional mode records from both the front and the rear of the microphone. It is ideal for recording or streaming an interview between 2 people. The omnidirectional mode picks up sound equally from all directions, making it great for conference calls. With a cardioid mode well suited to podcasting, game streaming, Skype calls, vocals, and instruments, cardioid mode captures sound sources that are directly in front of the microphone. Overall, the bottom line is that if you're just looking for a quality USB mic without any complications, then the Blue Yeti is a solid choice. At number 4 is the Antlion Audio Mod Mic 5. The Mod Mic was born of necessity when superior audiophile headphones arrived with inferior microphones. The Mod Mic gives you amazing audio quality with the freedom to attach it to any headset. Design-wise, one of the most impressive features of the Mod Mic 5 is actually the build quality. Antlion promises military-grade Kevlar reinforcement for the wires. The cable feels sturdy and built to last. This is very important because this is the common point of failure for gaming headsets. Moreover, the boom pole is really flexible, allowing you to position it in different ways by bending it. You can position it closer or farther to your mouth, depending on your preference. But with that said, it stays in place once it is fixed, meaning that you won't have to reposition the mic every time you use it, even if you detach it multiple times. On to the features. There are 2 magnetic bases that let you attach the Mod Mic to 2 pairs of headphones. That adds to the flexibility of the Mod Mic since you can mount it to 2 different headphones with different sound signatures, and you can simply select the headphone that best suits the game. In addition, the Antlion mic allows you to choose between 2 different microphone modes with a single switch. With a choice between noise cancelling and studio recording microphone modes, all it takes is the flick of a switch to change your sound to whatever you need. Moving on, the Mod Mic is packed with accessories. You get 2 3.5mm extension cables. One of the cables is longer, so you won't have any problems connecting it to the back of your PC or to the side of your gaming laptop. Additionally, the mic also gives several options for cable management. There are a total of 9 clips to help you tie up the cables from your headphone with the Mod Mic 5 for an overall cleaner look. To conclude, for the gaming audience, the Mod Mic 5 hits all of the check marks. Great build quality, lots of included accessories, portability, and sound quality. For casual gamers and streamers who are starting out, this is the best product for communication and comes highly recommended. At number 3 is the Samson G-Track Pro. Professional sounding recordings shouldn't require an advanced degree in engineering. In your home studio or recording on the road, G-Track Pro allows you to focus on your recording and less on the process. Design-wise, the G-Track Pro is an incredibly well-constructed mic. The base and mic chassis are made from die-cast zinc, and you can tell as soon as you pick it up. This is a heavy, very solid mic. It is the kind of mic that feels like dropping it from a second-story window would do more damage to the sidewalk than the mic. The dials also feel well made, with good tension that allows you to precisely adjust levels. With this trio of handy dials on the front of the mic, allow you to change the gain on the mic and quarter-inch input on the fly, and set the volume of a headset plugged into the 1/8-inch jack on the back. As for performance, the G-Track Pro offers 3 polar patterns for recording audio from various angles. Cardioid for recording directly in front of the mic, bidirectional for front and rear recording, and an omnidirectional setting for recording a room. The cardioid setting will get the most play for streamers or gamers looking for a high-quality replacement for their headphones or laptop mic. But for podcasting and music recording, the bi- and omnidirectional options are very welcome. The G-Track also exhibits a very low noise floor, meaning there's virtually no perceptible circuit noise from the unit itself. Most importantly, the sound quality is extremely high. The G-Track records at up to 24-bit 96 kHz audio resolution, which is extremely high fidelity for a mic at this price point. Overall, with the G-Track Pro, you're getting the total package. This thing is a game changer and a money saver for just about anyone looking to get into streaming. It's super simple to use and has a high-quality build. We just can't recommend it enough. At number 2 is the Razer Siren X. If you want to get serious about Twitch streaming, you're going to need a high-quality microphone. But many of the best mics out there are pretty bulky, which is a problem for streamers who travel often or simply don't want a big microphone taking up a chunk of their camera feed. That's where Razer Siren X comes in. Design-wise, like the majority of gaming-focused broadcast mics on the market, this Razer Siren X sports an electret condenser with a wide diaphragm and substantial shock protection, anchored by a nice heavy stand. It's a handsome-looking piece of kit that doesn't go too hard on the gamer look and is all the better for it. The Siren X is remarkably simple, sporting a mute button and a volume knob up front and nothing else. As for performance, the objective of the Razer Siren X is to provide you with a compact studio-grade microphone that you can freely take on the go due to its driverless setup. Simply plug the device into an open USB port, and the Siren X is instantly recognized as an audio source in your preferred streaming service, including OBS and XSplit. Additionally, the Razer Siren X has 1 polar pattern available, and it's super cardioid. For those unaware of what cardioid pickups are like, sound is only recorded from in front of the device instead of 360 degrees around like a traditional mic. This effectively reduces unwanted background noise and makes sure that the only sound recorded is your voice. The Siren X also features a built-in shock mount to ensure that your recording is protected from sound anomalies if you happen to bump into the mic or knock the table. To conclude, the Razer Siren X is an amazing microphone for the price. You get something that can produce an acceptable podcast voiceover audio and really excels during actual gameplay and live streaming. If you are looking for a live streaming mic, the Siren X would be a great choice. At number 1 is the Rode NT USB. It's easier than ever to be heard online these days. That's both figurative and literal. A glut of microphones are on hand to give would-be streamers, podcasters, and YouTubers a voice. How do you stand out in such a crowded market? Rode's answer is simple. Its NT USB claims to offer studio-quality sound without studio-quality prices, and the developers might just have managed it. Let's take a look. Design-wise, it's sleek and reassuringly solid thanks to its narrow metal body. The NT USB is fitted with a 3.5mm headphone jack as well as twin dials, one to adjust the headphone volume and the other to balance the mic between the microphone and the computer's own audio, making it ideal for calls or hangouts. Furthermore, a premium pop filter is included which fits onto the base of the mic, positioning the filter the ideal distance from the capsule to minimize plosives during singing or speech. Also provided is a stand mount, with 3/8-inch thread, desktop tripod stand, and a pouch for storage. In terms of performance, the Rode NT USB delivers fantastic audio. It's impressively sharp and is possibly one of the best standards of sound we've heard on a USB microphone, making it suitable for podcasting, Skype, and gaming as well. Plus, with the headphone port, it lends itself to interacting with others when gaming or chatting. In addition, the NT USB is designed to be as audibly transparent and accurate as possible. Its condenser design captures a broader frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz and enjoys a higher sensitivity that's better for recording quieter or more intricate sounds. To conclude, the Rode NT USB is a high-quality USB microphone designed to capture broadcast-quality vocals or music with a simple USB connection to your computer or laptop. Indeed, with a supplied pop shield, tabletop stand, and long cable, you're ready to record high-quality audio wherever you go. And it's our #1 choice for a streaming mic. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this in the future. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Catch you soon.